Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make our own DIY cleaning rags and DIY rag dispenser as well. This is my old t-shirt. I could not give it away to donation as it has some stains in it, and also it was discolored in various parts. Now what I'm doing here is I folded the t-shirt until the top buttons, where the buttons end, and I'll be cutting it so I get a continuous piece of cloth. Once I finish doing it, you can see I have two pieces of my t-shirt here. I will be folding the bottom half again and cutting it near the seams. So altogether I'll have 4 pieces of rectangle cloth that I can use as cleaning rags in my kitchen or bathroom. I'll finish cutting this. Now once it is cut, I'm showing you here, this is how it looks like. I have 4 pieces of cloth. Now we are left with the top half of the t-shirt. What am I going to do with this? Let us watch. This is where I'll be showing you how to make disposable rags. I will be cutting off the sleeves and also the front part where I can get a few more pieces of cloth. And since the sleeves are not rectangle in shape, we can use it as disposable rags. I will be cutting off the sleeves here, and then I'll be showing you this is the leftover t-shirt that looks funny. Now on the either side I will be cutting it as well. Only the part that is going to go as a waste is the button stand which I cannot use. Now I will be cutting it further. On the back side, on the back of the t-shirt, I can make another rectangle piece of cloth and again use it into my rag collection. This is how my rag collection looks like. I have rags from many years, I should say. I wash them, I bleach them and reuse them. I do not use paper towels for cleaning in my house. I use paper towels only for anything to do with fried food. And here you go. This is my old coffee container, old Folgers container. All that you will need to do this DIY rag dispenser is any container of your choice, a box cutter, and of course something to mark. I'm here using a permanent marker. You can use any marker. I'm trying to hold the camera in my left hand and trying to draw a triangle. I'm so sorry for the shaky camera here. You can approximately draw the triangle. I'm drawing it on the upper side of the container. I'm going to use the box cutter and cut it into triangle. Be very careful when you use the box cutter not to hurt yourself. And also on the bottom side of the container, I have drawn another triangle and I will be cutting this as well. Now, these are all the wastage pieces from our t-shirt, right? You saw the sleeves, the collar, and the little tiny pieces that we get. All that I am dumping it into this container. And once it is all dumped in, you can put the lid back on and you can hang it. Yes, you can hang it near your kitchen where you can just pull a rag to clean all the nasty spills and then throw it away without feeling guilty. Yes, you can do that. Especially when oil spills have happened or some yogurt has spilled and you do not want to use the towel to clean and then wash it because oils are hard to wash off cloths. This is how I use it. I hope this was helpful. Let us save the earth and go green. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye bye now.